So let's face it, we all have investments, whether we worked before or, in one way, shape, or form, we are in the stock market, whether you're in the UK, you're in Germany, or you're in Asia, or even here in the United States. You have an investment somewhere, whether it's mutual funds, money market funds, or just outright stocks. If you're a professional and you work for a big firm, chances are you're also on or in the employee share purchase plan as well. So wouldn't it be better, or wouldn't it be also good to finally get a proper investment class to really understand, how it all kind of fits together and how it all works, so that you are able to understand the market as a whole and better time your entries in your investments. It's not just enough to just trust your mutual fund manager or your fund manager or your certified financial planner or whatever they are to just do, what they need to do with what's happening in the market right now with hedge funds. And I mean, these are guys who are supposed to be experts in trading as well as investments, are losing money, left and right. Think about what your mutual fund guy is actually probably doing. He's probably not doing so well as well. So it's really about time for everybody to have a really good handle on their funds and on their investments so that they can be better equipped to understand the market as a whole and also direct their investments and their funds to the appropriate places. So with all of this, we have created an investment class, and I mean, this was before exclusive only to our foundations people and foundation students, but with a lot of people joining us and also requests to have sort of like a general introductory sort of class to go into the whole thing. This, we respond quite well to all the suggestions and feedback and of course the requests, and this is what this class is all about. This investment class, and I'm sure whether you're with IG or Thinkorswim or E-Trade, there's not enough out there, info out there to really tell you, hey, what do I do to go into investments? What do I do to actually time my entries and everything? So we explain quite clearly, what the markets are because this isn't your grandfather's market anymore. There's three sort of like strong pillars of information that we teach in this class. Understand the market as a whole, how it functions now versus, back in the day. Understand initial public offerings because there's a lot of people who got burned quite severely, whether it was Facebook in the in the beginning or Twitter, and of course even GoPro is probably one of the best examples too that got burned quite badly. So we do provide this because I think these are the things that every investor, no matter how new you are, should know and should understand. There's a reason why a lot of the experts don't try to like educate the public because the less you know, the easier or the easier you are going to be uh, um, convinced to do what they think they should do, and you will be convinced to do so. So we do this, and of course we explain, investment entries. What is an investment? How is it done? Profit targeting and understanding when the best entry points are every year, for example. So investments are different to trading because trading is sort of on a very very short term, whereas investments you get certain periods of the year where you can really get in, make sense of it all, and get into um, trading and get into investing in terms of long-term goals. So this is what this class is all about. Whether you're a passive investor or a very active investor, this really helps you. And I mean, we've surveyed a lot of brokers, and we most of them don't even have any sort of good classes to really explain what happens during an IPO or when should you actually enter into an investment and hold that for X or Y amount of years. So this is, I think, a very very good way to understand, and you get enough to really get into investments and be able to manage them accordingly. So I invite you guys to you know get more information or get into the class. It is $500 for whether it's a video class or an instructor-led class. That is available for you guys. It's a 2-hour class. So it's a 2-hour class for $500, and of course, if you're a client, if you're an existing client, there will be a discount for sure. So If you're interested or if you got questions, let us know. Hit that contact button at our website at www.equitysense.com, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. Take care.